Hello, Yoga Tigers, Solar Powered Humans, California. They may join me. Every day increasing time of the headstand. Those who want to perceive Samadhi, liberation. Oh, the dark retreat, like Cave Sadhana. Welcome to Dark Retreat, Solar Powered Humans, California, the creator. Wake Rinpoche, his American name, Brett Carr. No publicity, no advertisement, no selfish motives. Just to promote yoga, to serve the humanity, and to take out the humanity from the marsh of ignorance, darkness. Here, your brother from India, मेरा भारत महान. आइए योग को सतनाम श्री वाहेगुरु, श्री वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा, श्री वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह. ये जैसे सिख साहबान लंगर लगाते हैं, देखिए. Oh, in English, as in calamities, when it is disaster, COVID, our Sikh brothers, they organize free food. Oh, free medical facilities, Like this, let's make yoga. If you really love the humanity, let's try this venture. Like Sikh Saban, let's make langar, free yoga. Oh, see. Oh, Jai Mahakal. Let's try our best to make yoga free. Oh, I salute those who have invented these gadgets. So need not to trouble people running, flying to and fro. You can easily put your best of yours on the YouTube, on these gadgets. Let it be free like sunlight. No logical, tricky reasoning. Oh, a son, again. Shri Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Turn over the pages of history, just recent history, the evolution of human beings. He sacrificed the whole family, just for the welfare of others, to save the humanity from the evils. So here I welcome you at Gurudwara Gursagar Sahib. Oh, the pious place charged with the vibes, valor, fortitude, bravery, and at the most sacrifice. Here you talk of yoga. Yoga, asana means posture, is not like merely jumping like monkeys. That's good for circus and gymnast. First, yam niyam, to go vegetarian, and then to no violence under all circumstances. It's yoga, I'm telling you. Then to stay in one posture comfortably for us together. As this is the headstand, the King Asana. That's why I'm giving demonstration of the King Asana. Oh, everybody shouldn't go in for that unless you are prepared to follow celibacy, observe celibacy, cleared butter, and the hard disciplines. Otherwise, you will be led to the lunatic asylum, brain hemorrhage, cardiac arrest, number of psychic diseases. This is the warning. And do it in the right way. Not in the mob mentality like fools, stupids. Don't be a spiritual beggar. Yeah, I name here Wake Rinpoche from California. Oh, his Brett Carr, who happens to be a director, producer of the English films, award-winning. So here is a reciprocation from an Indian yogi to an American yogi for the welfare of the human beings. And, to save the humanity. It's all God everywhere, omnipresent, omniscient, omnipotent. but strive for the best. Be choosy. Let's spread yoga like Sikh mythology, like langar. Free food. Again, I repeat time and again. Remember the COVID days. This is all God personifying Himself in this brave. I'm not trying to exaggerate the statement. It's in English. और हिंदू भाइयों के लिए चले आओ. गुरुद्वारा गुरसागर साहिब, Chandigarh, near Sukhna Lake. Biba Charan Kamal, Baba Pritpal ji, they happen to be the director. Oh, most holy people. See here. We must pay gratitude to this kind of